Hello everyone, and I hope everybody had a great opening week of class. As you can see, the course will be challenging with various simulations, quizzes, discussion forums, and written assignments due virtually every week. I would encourage you to stay on top of your coursework and do not get behind. You may be asking yourself about why there is such a significant amount of writing in the course. As you will see, in criminal justice, writing is a very important skill to have. Whether you are writing a report that will go to your chief of police, your CEO, the prison warden, or even your supervisor in probation and parole, you want to be able to express yourself in a way that brings credit to yourself and your agency. I've added a menu button in our course titled Final Project Exemplars. And hopefully this will give you an idea about what your final project should look like. Now keep in mind these are exemplars and are not perfect, but they should give you an idea of about what the project entails. I've also added a video that explains how to set up your Word document for APA format and also a sample APA formatted paper. And if you have any questions about any of that, feel free to shoot me an email, give me a call, whatever, and we'll talk through it. So on to our week 2 lessons. Keep in mind on your discussion posts that they all should be very detailed and substantial. Generally, a paragraph should be about 150 words and entail about 5 to 7 sentences, more or less. The criminal justice system enforces laws from federal, state, and local agencies. For this week, you're going to explore how these laws are created and how the laws are enforced. You're going to have a chance to weigh whether the police should use more crime control methods or if the police should give more due process to criminals. Students, you then asked to review the constraints that the Fourth Amendment imposes on enforcing laws. And in this module 2, you will also explore specific laws and see how the elements of the crime affect how the prosecutors bring a case against a suspect. So for our learning objectives for the week, we're going to critique the Fourth Amendment and determine whether the amendment actually violates the rights of American citizens, examine the restrictions that the government has in making laws, analyze interagency collaboration when conducting a legal search, and propose career paths that align with communication and collaboration practices. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next round of discussions. I will post some additional information on eyewitness testimony this week and the case of Jennifer Thompson and Ronald Cotton. Also this week you have your first final project milestone due. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, whatever, and I'll see you in the discussion board this week. Thanks for joining me.